Hello my dears and welcome back to ZeloTrade. So today let's talk about the myths that circulate around the topic of trading, some of which unfairly discourage or on the contrary attract attention. You may have already heard different perspectives on trading, but today I will try to uncover some of them based on my own experience. So let's get started by opening the first position on the currency pair of British pound to Swiss franc. We'll make a deal in a new working channel, specifically the sideway, and as we can see there is a local breakdown implying that the downturn will continue and the price will return to the sideways zone. As additional signals we use the data from the indicators. There is a local overbought and decreased activity of buyers. So let's move to broker to enter into the deal. I set up the 4-minute expiration and now the deal is opened and I will return to TradingView for a more deep analysis. Let's analyze the early price movement, and here I can note the chart development from a sideways movement to an upward movement. The trigger for this was the news fluctuations, though with the increase in general activity we can just see the increase in volumes from the buyer side. This forms a sharp increase in the market, but also led to overbought asset. That in turn exhausted the range of the buyers and the reversal occurred. The trend changed to a downtrend, and now on the reduced activity on the predominance of sellers, the price fell to the previous strong level. And here we should take into account the opening of the London session and the beginning of trading. From the strong support, the price went up on the influence of buyers, and globally we can talk about the continuation of the general uptrend for a long period of time. But locally we emphasize on the new sideway. Now the price has broke through the resistance on impulse, but there is already a correction with a fall. So we have entered this fall. And now we can get back on broker view. Today, anyone can begin trading at a moment that is convenient to them, releasing them from the limits of their work schedule. This is the significant benefit of trading in my opinion. Trading can be quite profitable if approached correctly. However, like with any activity that involves potential risks, trading is surrounded by narratives and horrors that do not always reflect the true reality. So let's start with the most common misconceptions, like trading is a scam. This myth has gained popularity due to the fact that there is a certain number of people who are looking for an easy income and see trading as something like a lottery, where the outcome depends on chance. The temptation to earn income without putting in any effort is understandable on its own. However, this careless approach to trading not only fails to guarantee success, but also creates a negative perception of online trading. It is important to realize that trading is a serious financial activity that requires knowledge, skills, and analysis. Successful traders invest in their own education and development, develop strategies, and analyze the market in details. Trading, like any other activity, requires effort and self-discipline. An approach based on waiting for luck can lead to financial loss and disappointment. Instead, it's worth considering trading as a tool to achieve financial goals with proper preparation and hard work. This will create a positive perception of trading and increase the likelihood of successful trades. A little bit off topic, but I want to advise you to go to my open Telegram channel where you can both get more familiar with trading and boost your skills. In the open channel, I hold joint trading sessions for joint earnings and expose trading materials for your personal growth and development. So, if you want to take a responsible approach to earning, I invite you to join. And now let's look at the broker. The trade is almost completed. The analysis is correct and all we have to do is to take the profit. And here it is. So we can move on and let's open a second deal. This will be the pair of British pound to Australian dollar. The situation here is similar to the related previous pair, but the volumes here show the formation of a descending new channel. So here we will work from the support zone in the price pullback in growth. Well, let's open a position on the broker. And I will left the same 4 minutes of expiration. And of course, after the opening deal, I'm going back for a detailed analysis on TradingView. It is important to mark the main support and resistance levels, so let's start with it. To begin with, we should outline the previous sideways channel where the price went beyond its limits with the increase in volumes from the seller's side. Well, since it was only local saturation, the price also worked its way back to the recent level, which we consider to be strong and global. In fact, here we can talk about the expansion of the sideways zone, so let's follow the price drop which led to the installation of a new support zone. If we talk globally about the sideways, the price from these main levels will move with the reversal in the zone of this sideways. That we can observe by microtrends. So let's go to the more recent data. Here on the general straight chain of activity, the price went up from the support zone on the predominance of buyers on the market. That led to the breakdown of resistance and overbought asset. So now the price is corrected by selling in the reversal downtrend. And we entered it, as you may remember from the support, into the pullback, because locally there is a slowdown of the correction on the seller's side. So we have finished analyzing and I propose to return to our topic. The other misconception is that trading requires a large starting capital. On the one hand, it is logical that with a large starting capital, the additional income will be higher. On the other hand, it is not the best idea to learn to trade on large amounts of money. And the whole reality is that trading is not limited to your wealth. It is available for all income levels. Moreover, today's online trading platform offers a unique opportunity to gain experience on demo accounts. This allows you to trade with a virtual balance while keeping market conditions real. This is a great way to develop your skills and test different trading strategies in practice before applying them into the real trading conditions. So you don't have to invest anything right away, but then it is enough to calculate the amount so that you can follow the basic rules. I'm talking now about the risk and money management. I can help you understand these same concepts by becoming your mentor. After all, the possibility of receiving personal consultations and analyzing your trading is available in my private Telegram channel. This is not even counting the fact that there are also hold joint trading sessions, share signals from them, and as well as we can simply customize social trading if you need to build up your balance for more earnings. If you want both knowledge and income, this is a perfect opportunity. Write me in private message, phrase I want to VIP, and get an invitation to the private channel. And while we are waiting for our deal to close, I'll tell you another myth. The third one is that only the analytical-minded can succeed. Yes, trading can seem a confusing and complicated process for beginners at first. There are so many terms, so many processes, strategies, indicators, and everything that the eyes run wild and shaky hands do. But let me be clear, it's not all about the super brain. Trading has its own patterns with its own freaky things, but the basis is simple following of the rules. Yes, there are a lot of them and it will take some effort to understand them, but you can get money from nothing. To become a good trader, it's not enough to sit for hours in front of the screen or read the smart books. You can achieve success only through careful preparation and development of plan, testing strategies, and analyzing the results. And now that our trade is closed, we can take the profit. I really hope I've given you a little bit of clarity about trading. Well, that's all for today. Once again, I would like to invite you to join my team of traders in open or private Telegram channels. And of course, I wish you all success in trading. See you soon. Bye.